Ciao comrades, I've been talking about it for so long that it finally happened. Port of Need for Speed is here. No, not underground, unfortunately, but Hot Pursuit.
In fact, it's been here since October 2021, but it was made public just yesterday. Nobody knows why, but nobody cares, cause it's here, so let's get cracking.
First, the installation process, how to set it up. What the hell you think you're talking about? I want to show them how to install it, how to set it up. Shut it down. Okay, he doesn't want me to show you, so this is a tutorial in a nutshell.
You need 3 plugins and data files. Game has been taken down from the Play Store, so you're also gonna need Magic Wand. You're gonna put all these ingredients together into ux0/data/NFSHP. You need to say the magic word, install VPK, and voila, job done, you can enjoy it. And what exactly you can enjoy, you may ask? You can enjoy Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2010 version of the game. I wish it was the proper PS3 port, but it isn't. It is its own thing. It is a trimmed down Android version. In spite of that, I like it a lot. Need for Speed Essence is present, it is here. Graphics are stunning. For the most part it runs around 60 FPS. Sometimes it drops, but overall very solid performance.
It was made by Electric, huge thanks to him.
You can choose to play either as a cop or as a racer, so there are 2 campaigns. As a cop, you're trying to stop the racer with the help of roadblocks, spikes, EMPs, and as a racer, you are trying to escape the cop. You are winning races, earning money, unlocking new events and new cars. There is plenty of them, all branded ones, Porsche, BMWs, etc.
Multiplayer features are not yet implemented in this port.
The controls are fine. Joystick is for steering, left and R bumpers for acceleration and brake, cross is nitro, circle handbrake. You need to use also touchscreen for main menu, and when you launch the game you need to skip the tutorial. Controls take some getting used to. I would prefer if it controls with D-pad, but that one is assigned to EMPs and spikes for the cop. If you wanna look back or change the view of the car, you need to tap the screen. There are no buttons assigned for that.
You can also control the game via tilting, via accelerometer. It works pretty good. You can also enable automatic acceleration.
The gameplay is fun. I never actually played this exact version of the game, so it was all new to me, but it's solid. There is no tuning, you cannot upgrade anything, you can just unlock better cars with better attributes and race with them. There is definitely a loads of value in here. If you are a racing fan, this is a must install. If you need any help with installation, check out our Discord. Like, subscribe, join if you are enjoying these videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks to members and Patreons for support. Peace out.